Hello friends, in this video we are going to work with edit and delete season. So I'm going to create first another series, so open the moviedb.org. I'm going to search for TV shows with more than one season, and I think the Flash has, he has 8 seasons. So I'm going to copy this, go to the TV shows first and create that. And after that, go to the seasons of this and generate the season number 1, season number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay. And here we have seasons. I'm going to add the episodes, but in the next video. In this video, we are going to work with edit and delete. So open the index of the seasons. Right here. And we need to go to the buttons, admin seasons edit, and we add TV show. Okay. We need to open the season controller and create the edit method. So function with name edit, and here we need to add the TV show, $sign TV show, and also the season, $sign season. And here we are going to return inertia render, and is going to render the, I'm going to copy this one, paste it here and say edit. Also we need to add the TV show, which is $sign, the TV show we have here, and the season, which is the season we have here, $sign season. Okay, save that, and now inside the seasons folder we need to create new file, name it edit.vue. Okay, and here I'm going to copy what we have in the TV show edit, select all, copy, close this, and paste it here. Just change this to be season edit, and also go to the admin seasons index, and we need to add the TV show ID. Okay, and go back to the season index. Good. After that we need submit season. Okay, we need a name, poster path, and what we need other, so refresh here. So name, poster path, and with only these two we can update. We don't update the season number because this is the number is unique to this one. So only the poster path and the name. Okay. After that, processing. So here we accept the TV show and also the season, which is an object, and the props for not TV show but season poster path. Okay, submit the season, and here we go the admin TV shows the TV show ID /seasons $, and we need to add the props .season and .id. And I think we are okay. We can hit save here, go to the season controller, and I'm going to open also the TV show controller and copy the update method and the delete method. Come here, copy this, go to the season controller, after the edit, paste that in, update. We need the TV show and also the season, $season, and we validate the name and the poster path, and we say the season update. Update the validated and go back to the admin seasons index, and we need to add the TV show ID here, and the message, the banner is the season updated. Also the same thing here, we need to add season $season, and here the season delete. Also go back to the seasons index and paste the TV show ID. And I think we are, again, here we need to say season deleted, and we are good to go now. Save, go to the browser and refresh. Now here we have the season 4. I'm going to go to the edit and nothing happened. So click edit, and why is that? Console, admin layout. Yeah. So in the edit view, when we import the layout, we can say something like this. Save, come here and refresh. Okay, go to the season 4 edit, and now we are in the season 4. Okay, I want to update, so I'm going to say season 4 updated, click the update button, season updated, and season updated, also the Slack updated. Also, I want to check for the validation update, the name field is required, click update again, the poster path field is required, refresh, and I'm going to remove again this one, and click update. Is updated, good. I'm going to check now if the delete buttons work. Delete and season deleted, and we don't have the season 4. Okay friends, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next one. All the best.